Hi, my name is Lauren Che. I am a senior material science and engineering major here at Johns Hopkins University and the founder of The New Norm. We have invented a way to transform recycled red Solo cups into wearable fabric, and this is how we plan on revolutionizing the fashion industry. Today, the fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry after oil and gas. The modern consumer demands a change, and so does our environment. The concept of sustainability is prevalent within the fashion industry, but sustainably made fabrics are still very hard to come by. We bridge this gap and provide a novel solution, our fabric made from recycled Solo cups. Industry specialists believe that one day all synthetic fibers will be made from recycled materials. The rate of that transition is the variable we hold in our hands. We will operate as a B2B wholesale fabric company. Our signature woven fabric is made from recycled Solo cups woven alongside cotton yarn. We are the first to ever recycle Solo cups into a wearable fabric and will be pursuing a patent and trademark for our signature composition. We will give the 7.4 billion Solo cups that are used annually in the US new purpose. With our current machine that I built in my garage last summer, we have projected we can recycle 60,000 cups annually, which equates to 30,000 yards of our current fabric. With our current machine, we can produce fabric for $3 a yard and sell it at an industry premium of $8 a yard. Upgraded machinery would increase our processing capacity, decreasing the cost of production per yard of fabric and increasing our gross profit margin. We are also continuing to conduct R&D in the lab on various fiber blends by incorporating different types of plastic inputs. When we speak to specialists in apparel or retail about our venture, the response has been unanimous. We have a product apparel companies have been looking for. Sustainably made fabrics made in the US from US recyclables. An advisor to Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, the H&M Group, and many other top brands said, "Our corporate clients would love this. This is exactly what they've been looking for." Initially, our target customer will be higher-end women's wear apparel brands that have the capability to launch smaller collections using our wholesale fabric. A brand using our fabric would be a pioneer to use recycled Solo cups to make clothing. And we think the line would be a huge success if it targeted the modern, environmentally conscientious consumer who has expressed a willingness to pay more for a product if it is eco-friendly. Our next step is to target brands within our serviceable, addressable market, and these are companies that have global reach and sustainability initiatives. Chanel, Patagonia, Gucci, and Zara are some of the brands that have pledged to more sustainable practices. And finally, we consider the $1.5 trillion global fashion industry our total available market. Current manufacturing processes are not sustainable in the long run, as our environment has truly begun to bear the burden of modern consumerism. One thing that really sets us apart is that our input material is free, which is not typically the case for most recycling initiatives. And this is because we've targeted the #1 users of Solo cups, college campuses. To give you an idea of the momentum we've gained on the Johns Hopkins campus alone, in this last semester, we collected over 4,500 Solo cups from various student organizations willing to support our movement. And we ultimately see a day when there is a collection program in place on all college campuses in the United States. This would all not be possible without our team of 12 material, environmental, and mechanical engineers. We are an extremely diverse team with various skill sets, which allows innovation and progress to be fast and efficient. And finally, I have personally run a swimwear company called Epic Swimwear for the past 5 years, giving me personal experience working with wholesale fabric in the LA fashion district. I can't express enough how instrumental this funding would be for our venture. It would allow us to scale up and produce fabric on a larger scale, which is fully dependent on funding. If we were to do this, we would be able to collaborate with our first apparel company. The red Solo cup is the most iconic plastic product, and at the same time, it is the epitome of single-use plastic. We live in a time where drastic, innovative measures must be taken to reverse the damage we have done to our planet. I believe we need to begin taking aggressive preventative measures to protect ourselves and the generations to come. Help us change more than just the fashion industry. Help us become the new norm. Thank you.